Hello and welcome to the instruction of how to use a Neon Pizza. The first thing we do is we just type in Neon Pizza and that'll take us to the home page. And we have several options, but the one we want to do is host a game. So we'll click on host a game. And there's many applications in this one, and the one we want is trivia. So we just click on trivia. Okay, so now we're in the main. It gives you some instructions if you want to use the instructions. You definitely need two people, so let's create a trivia. So we're creating a trivia there. Okay, so this is a bit of advertising in there, so just ignore that. But it's really important to copy your link. Copy that into your memory. You'll need that if you want to edit your trivia, or you can save it as a favorite. I'm just going to save it to my bookmark as well. So there it is, there's my trivia. So that code's very important for us, we must save it. Okay, so now we've just got the name of the trivia. Let's just call this test trivia. And you can tag it if you want, up to you. But we really want to get into the questions. So there are four types of questions. There's choose the correct, choose any correct, and free text and psych out. So we'll go through all of them. So let's choose one correct answer for the first one. So in this case, I'm going to put the question in there. And the question is, I've pre-typed these to make it easier for myself. So what is the image behind Garth? So choose correct answer, and we can now then put the choices in there. So, is it that one? Is it that one? I'll just keep pasting. And then we've got camellias there as well, which is the correct answer. Just be careful. It always defaults to the first one, so make sure you untick that one. And then we might want to add some images. So we can click on there. We can add an image if you like. So I'm going to add an image of myself. So I need the URL. So I'm just going to search myself on Google there. There I am. Right click. And then I'm going to copy image address. I'm going to paste it into the document. So there you have it. So they've added the image. We can use that image later as part of the gameplay. And then I can save it. It'll come up with this little box, which is actually the game code, which is something you'll need when you want to play the game. And if all's right, it will save. If you've got double tick there, for example, and then you press save, it'll save the issue because I've got two things ticked on a single correct answer. So I'll take that off. And we press save, and also gives you a warning. So beautiful. Now I can add the next question. Okay, let's see. So this one is we're going to choose with more than one correct answer. So I'll just put those choices in there. Nearly there. Okay, so what is not accepted? Okay, so GPS tracking is not set, waiting for a house is not accepted, paying another student, but using Echo 360 is. So beautiful. I'm not going to put an image there, I don't think it's relevant for that one. So then we can go to the next question, press save. There we go. And it's also a reminder to make sure you save as a bookmark, otherwise you will lose your game. And then another question. Okay. This one is an interesting one. What I've got here is the text. Why is teaching not easy? And then I'm actually going to put the URL link in the text there. So So it looks a bit big, but other than when you play a game, it'll just be a link that you click on, because I want them to listen to the video or watch the video, and I have to control that. So we'll see that at their end. And then this time I want it to be a free text question. Just want to see what people say. Not good if you've got lots of people playing. And the answer I'm looking for, social media is what I'm looking for. But I might award points if they get it slightly right, or just being funny. So there we have the third way of doing questions. There we go. So I'm just going to add that question, save it, and then add another question. Okay, so I've got another question. This one will just be a speed one, just the correct one, just having a bit of fun with people. I know the first one is correct, but just going to make it a little bit tricky. Was a bit of play on words as well. So it's important to have fun with these. It creates a different learning experience. Okay, great. And I want to add a URL there, so I want to have an image there that I found. And so I'm just going to type the URL in that I found, and there's the image. So there we have the 4 ways, and now the third way is a psych out. Okay. And the last type of question is a psych out. So this is like fibbage, if you've ever played fibbage. And so we come up with a question that's quite hard. You don't want it to be too easy, because you don't really want people to get it. That's the idea. But some people might. So what was the question? So we're going to do the psych out, and then I might put, okay, so I'm going to put my answer here, so the electric chair, and then I might put an image there if I wanted to. So I could just grab it, Sylvester's name, see if I can find a nice image. Yeah, it's a nice one. Copy the image address, and then paste it. Of course, bearing in mind your copyright. And there we are. And then that's it. We save that, and we have no errors, and we're ready for our game. So in the next video, I'll show you how to actually play the game as an administrator. Okay, thank you.